How to use ChatGPT to write your Realtor bio in 5 minutes. If you're a real estate agent and your bio sounds like every other agent's, today I'm showing you exactly how to use ChatGPT to write a better bio in just 5 minutes. We're not talking about a generic AI-sounding profile. I'm giving you the exact prompt formula to generate a sharp, trust-building, client-ready bio, even if you hate writing or don't know where to start. Here's why this matters. Most agent bios sound robotic, vague, or filled with cliches like honesty, integrity, and hard work. None of that wins clients anymore. Your bio has to show your personality, specialization, and why someone should trust you fast. Here's the ChatGPT prompt that actually works. Write a professional bio for a real estate agent named Name, who works primarily in location. This agent specializes in niche audience. Tone should feel approachable, trustworthy, and human, avoiding cliches. Limit to 150 words and include one personal detail that helps the reader connect. Example you can use right now. Write a professional bio for a real estate agent named Jane Smith who works in Austin, Texas. She specializes in helping first-time homebuyers and relocation clients. Tone should feel approachable, trustworthy, and human, avoiding cliches. Limit to 150 words and include one personal detail that helps the reader connect. Run that in ChatGPT and you'll get something far better than a blank screen. After you get your draft from ChatGPT, check for any AI-isms, overly perfect language, or filler lines. Add a sentence about how clients describe working with you. Testimonials or proof. Make sure your bio feels like something you'd actually say out loud. That last point is critical. We're not trying to sound like a robot here. Once you've refined it, update your Realtor.com profile, Zillow profile, LinkedIn About section, website About page, and any listing introductions you use in marketing materials. If this helped, hit subscribe. I'm making an entire playlist on how agents can use AI tools to stand out in 2025. Links to my recommended tools and a free bio refinement checklist are in the description below. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tips.